Hi there, this is Paul from the Video Builder team. Now, Video Builder is the world's first point and click, drag and drop, push button video creation technology that is light years ahead of everything else, because Video Builder creates 3D animation videos, and not just 3D animation videos, but actually 3D animation avatar videos with intros, outros, lower third elements, text effects, motion capture elements, transitions, and a whole lot more. So let me show you exactly how a video that I created looks like and how you can create professional 3D animation videos just like this, where you can create for corporations, small businesses, websites like e-commerce websites and affiliate websites, product websites, or to showcase your brand or your business. Now imagine if you can captivate the attention of your audience using this new form of video, how powerful it would be to generate more traffic, leads, and sales, not just for your brand, your business, but for any website, any e-commerce business, offline business, or any business out there, how much of a benefit it would provide every business in the world when you can create and captivate attention. So that's exactly what Video Builder does. So right now, let me show you an actual demonstration of a video that I created with the Video Builder app, and then I'll show you how I created it in just 60 seconds. I'll put a countdown clock and I'll show you how easy it is for you to just drag and drop, click a few buttons, and get a professional grade high definition 3D animation video, complete with the world's first and the world's best text-to-speech engine and the world's very best lip sync technology, which means these 3D animation avatars will have pure lip sync. They'll look natural and lifelike as well. And on top of that, I'll also be covering how you can add intros and outros to really supercharge your animations and your videos. That will take you hours and hours to achieve, a huge amount of skill level and technical experience, or hire an expert and pay thousands of dollars to achieve these same level of animations. And you can do it in just 60 seconds using the Video Builder app. So let's get underway. So this is the video that I created using the Video Builder app, and I'll show you exactly how you can create the exact same video, if not even better video, in just 60 seconds using the Video Builder app.
Video Builder gives you the power to create awesome professional, HD real-time 3D animation videos that utilizes the latest technologies in 3D animation avatars. No special skills or technical experience needed.
Alright, so let's get underway and let's create that project in just 60 seconds. So first thing I want you to do, and we would need to do, is click Add Track, and we'll click on tracks and add a couple of tracks here, and then I'm gonna also open up my countdown timer here. You see that countdown timer here? Okay, so let's load it up to 59 seconds is what it is, and then once I turn it on, I will start our project. So I'll show you how fast and easy it is to get up and running. The first thing that we would do is add some tracks here like you see on my screen, and then we are prepped up. Let's get underway. So let's get some nice background here. I'll just get a background that looks like this, the hall. I'll put it in track 4, and boom. So we are in good shape here. So let's turn the actual countdown timer right now. In 60 seconds, let me create the actual 3D animation video that will take a professional hours of time and cost you thousands of dollars, that you can create in just 60 seconds using the Video Builder app right in front of your eyes. So let me hit that countdown timer right now. So the next thing that we would do is we would need the avatar, right? So let me click Keisha here and then click next. I'm going to click import speech. I'm just going to go and click paste here, and then I'm going to choose a voice. You can just click import speech here and click next, and I'm going to drag and drop her into the timeline like so. The next thing that we would need is an intro animation so that we can showcase our logo, our animation, and our business. So I already have a logo here. You can upload your own logo. So I'll just select that. It's just taking a few seconds, and I'll put it up in here. And the next thing that we need to do is the text animations, right? This one is really nice. I like it. And I'll click next. You can choose your own text and so on, and you can click next. and then you can just get this text animation, drag and drop it into the timeline. The last thing you would need to do is an outro animation, right? The outro animation right here, I like the YouTube one. Click next. Again, you can customize it. I've already written some text here. Click next, and then drag and drop it at the end of the timeline. Boom, you're done. That's it. So as you can see, it took me exactly 60 seconds to get it up and running. All you have to do next is just click on the create movie button, choose the format, the quality, and just set up a project name, and then click create a movie. Boom, and your rendering process is done and your movie is ready to be downloaded. Now, of course, you can customize it anywhere you wish. You can, for example, just get your character, animated character, to move to the right, to the left, and so on. You have that capability using our customization tool, and completely customize the video any way you choose. Add your own backgrounds, transitions, lower thirds, text, motion capture animations, and all kinds of effects that will really blow you away and blow your clients, your customers, your prospects, and your audience away too. So that's how fast it is. And the next thing that you would do is just click, and then you can just download it and have it distributed throughout the world via YouTube, social media, and any platform you wish. And on top of that, the great thing is, you saw, even with explanation, it just took me 60 seconds. So if you can imagine the creativity that you can use, within just a few minutes, you can have a video even better than this, even more professional than this, and even more captivating than this. So as you can see, the possibilities are really endless with the Video Builder application. And since it's cloud-based, you can really save your projects and use it on any device, Mac, PC, or any device of your choice, and it will save the projects on the cloud so that you can use, for example, your laptop when you're traveling and your desktop to create projects. So you can open it up in multiple computers as well as you're traveling. So that allows you full flexibility to run your animations in a professional 3D animation production and creation on the fly, on the go, whenever you need it, and it just takes a few minutes to set up. So thanks again. I'm really excited to have you on board with Video Builder, and I look forward to having you as our valued member.